Welcome to the Smart Lab Activities How-To Demo Series. This demo is how to use Flipout. I'm in a notebook file on a new page, and I'm going to create a Flipout activity, which is an activity that works like the traditional flashcards. On the top menu, I select the Smart Lab icon. This opens a window with a list of activities, and I'll select Flipout. The Flipout dialog box opens. In the facing up column, I can type in my term, and in the facing down column, I can type in the term's definitions. So here, my term is atomic number, and my definition is the number of protons in an atom. I'll continue to add in all my terms and definitions. When I'm done adding in all my terms and definitions, at the bottom of the page, I click Next. On this page, I select a theme. I'm going to select Basic, and then I click Finish. The Flipout activity builds, and then it appears on the page with the facing up keywords or terms that I added to the activity appearing on the flashcards. Now, when I present the lesson to the class, the students can collaborate on the definition of each term and flip out the card when they're ready. If I want to change something in this activity, I open its notebook page, and in the top right corner of the activities player, I click the pencil icon to open the activities dialog box. One last note before I end this demo. You can add a game element like a buzzer, timer, or randomizer to this activity. I describe game elements in the demo, how to add game elements to a Smart Lab activity. You can find that in this How To Demo series. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this How To Demo series.